Welcome back to Sax Casts, breaking down the riff part 5. If you want to leave us a comment, as ever, it's really helpful. I video these at the minute weekly and take on your feedback. So if you feel that there are changes that I can still make, go for it. Please let me know. Let's have a go at this riff. And again. So I'll sing it for you. Da 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 da. I'll work with you and break it down. There's kind of like two parts of this phrase. Building on from part 4, if you haven't caught that already, we started to look at the blues scale, which has got an extra note compared to the pentatonic, and the sort of the idea of having like a little riffy semitone thing. Blah, blah. Okay. Our start note we need to think about after I need to demo the blues for you, don't I? It's a C blues. So C, E flat, F, F sharp, G, B flat, C. So C, E flat, F, F sharp, G, B flat, C. Again, my preference would be this one, the bis key, rather than this or this. And then all the way back down again. Our riff starts here. So it's not on the root note, so we're somewhere in between. If you can think you can figure it out, stab a guess. I'll play the note for you again. See if you can hear it. Da. So not here, or here, or here, or here. It's the G. So we're starting on the G. Da, da. Just 2 of those, and we make it more funky. We can go F sharp to G, F sharp to G, keeping the G fingers not moving. Da, da, which is that little semitone thing we talked about the last lesson. Next bit. Da, 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 da. Sounds really groovy, but it's literally the scale that we've just covered, working down from the F sharp. So F sharp, F natural, E flat, and then C. So blah blah dee da da da. But because of that triplet, it sounds really groovy. If I just played the notes, sounds a bit stiff, a bit wooden. So that's the first bit, and then the next part goes. So hopefully you can hear that we're descending down a little bit. Da, 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 da. So we're going C, B flat, G. So building it on. And then da 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 da. Just the blues scale, working back up again. Lingering on that E flat because it's that little minor third which is going to make it sound really kind of bluesy again. So if we stick it all together. And the last note, La, which is the start note of our blues. C. And it sounds like it's finished and completed then. Okay, So the track that I've got on for the backing is in concert B flat, and C7 is the chord that you're playing along with because it's C blues. Video there is that technique on how to fall. If you're not sure of that, just keep it as a long C. What you're then able to do, hopefully, with some of these breaking down the riffs, is to steal it as your idea and build upon it. So you could use the first little fragment and then change it completely, or you might steal the last bit and then tag on a little bit at the end if you want to. So it's up to you how you want to use these videos, and I'm getting so great feedback, so thank you all for your likes and your comments. Hopefully see you on the next breaking down the riffs. So keep on practicing and happy saxing, guys.